guys? It's your boy Agent Koala back with a quick update. Finally, I can update my chart as we see a couple of things starting to unfold in the price section. Um, we got that touch of 400. We kind of overshot it and went to that 401, like I mentioned in my previous videos. So what can we expect going forward? You already know what you already know what I ain't even say it. 240. We're going to 240. Below 300, I think by January, by end of mid-January, I think we're below 300. I'll give myself a little more time, but yeah, around mid-December, January, we're gonna start making our way down to 300. Um, so we can see this massive rising channel forming. We kind of got that fourth touch breakout, fake out breakout, like I mentioned before. This is our wave two. We got that head and shoulder pattern forming, kind of signifying that we're starting to reverse. So I kind of expect us to at least come down to around 388 going into Monday and maybe move to the upside. So I'm kind of seeing like maybe this smaller bull flag or declining channel, as you want it, whatever you want to call it, kind of um, plays out, and we test the top of this wedge again at 400, and then that will secure our move to the downside. Then we test the bottom at 391. Like I said, the further it moves up this in this channel, the lower the breakout threshold is, or the higher the breakdown threshold is. So that's kind of what I'm expecting going as far as the intraday price action, but we could very well much just break it down here and just keep going. But I know if we test this line, that's going to be a good indicator to load the puts, because we're going to see a massive acceleration down for wave three, because wave three is in fact our most um, massive move, and it's super accelerated when it gets to the downside. So either we're going to bounce back and forth into this rising channel to test the top of it again, and that kind of gives us a double top, and then we make our move to the downside, or we just make our move to the downside off rip. And yeah, that's all I got for you going into the next week. Guys, enjoy your weekend. Don't stress too much. We're going to be below 300 before you know, for my guys that are still holding puts at the bottom here. Just make sure that you're buying your puts with a lot of time, and there's there's no wrong in there's no wrong in holding that position for a little bit of redness. So you can either try to figure out where the top's going to be, which it could be here again, um, or you could just enter your trade. Like, this is only like a 6-7 point difference. So as long as you enter your trade with low delta, low theta, and low gamma, you won't have to worry about producing a significant loss. And so if it breaks down here, good, you're straight. If it goes up here, average into more positions, go with the higher delta put position. That way you can make more profit to the downside, and you can have some room uh, to to sell some trades. So that's all I got for you guys. Thank you for watching the video. I'm going to have links in my description for the Discord, for my trading course. Everything you need to know is in that trading course. We also have a guide to Elliott wave theory in there. My own personal guide, how I trade and how I use Elliott wave theory effectively in my trading style. So check those out. We have a partnership with BingX where you get $1,300 every single week. That's over $5,000 a month in free trading money. Like, why are you not taking advantage of this opportunity? All right, guys, you have a great weekend. Agent Koala out.